3. I forgot to plug in the mic. Hey.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, Evan, I took the trade. Dynamic risk. Yeah, I'm waiting for GJ resistance also. Sorry, YouTube. I forgot to plug in the mic.
Did you just take a trade?
Yeah, I took this so earlier. I
This
don't know if you guys saw the chart that I posted for Raja, right? It didn't form new resistance, but I was already anticipating that the 4-hour close on EJ would actually break below because hang on. But this was definitely an impulse move. If not, probably would have missed it. So this candle was forming earlier when I was sending it. When I sent the chart. So I already saw it breaking below all this support on the 4-hour chart. So I was actually waiting to go short. Yeah. So I didn't want to take. So on the 30-minute, it closed above the zone. So what I wanted was firstly this criteria to be met, that the price would actually close below the support here on the 30-minute. Because if you look left, this is the lowest area, right? So once I waited for the next 15 to close and then I entered. Because to me that was the confirmation already, and we were in a very strong bearish trend because it's really clean on the 30 here on the left, 1 hour, as well as the 4 hour. Yeah, that's why I was kind of confident to take it short, even though there wasn't. Yeah, it's definitely an impulse entry, definitely. But I waited for an extra 15 minutes for this candle to close below and below the support on the 30 here.
Yeah. You have a clean downside.
Yeah. Correct.
Yeah, I messed up my trade.
Yeah, but GJ looks like it's forming.
I messed up GJ trade. I started good and then yeah, I messed it up. I entered on the 15-minute. When price broke, I entered as a impulse entry.
Firman, you broke off halfway. Like I couldn't hear the second half of your sentence.
What was that?
I couldn't hear the second half of your sentence.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Yeah.
Can you bring it down a little bit?
GJ, right?
Yeah, can I see? Yeah, right, like that.
This will. Yeah, so on GJ now. I'm just waiting for this candle close well. This 15-minute candle closed properly. So I'm waiting for this next one to actually hold this 30-minute support. So this was actually the resistance made during Asia, and then it formed support during London. So now what I wanted GJ to do is hold this zone, form resistance, and then we take it down.
Yeah. So basically, not that one. I entered right here.
Ooh.
For impulse entry.
Yeah.
It went down 10%. Well, first of all, I didn't even enter with the right lot size. I entered way lower.
By accident?
Yeah, I didn't check how much it was on the how much lot size it was, but it was lower than my normal lot size. But I closed 50% once I reached 10 pips, and then brought my stop loss from that blue line from here to the breaking of the entry, and then it came back. I obviously hit my stop loss, but I was trying to enter again because I saw like it's already broken, just like how you enter your EJ basically. I see this queen move down, and then I was gonna enter, but I got distracted, and I was like, I started doing something else, and I did not enter, and then it kept going and going.
This was a nice. I think this was a nice 1-hour trade as well. Yeah, if you look,
that's a 3-day trade. Like if I just like cash 10 pips each day, that's a 3-day trade. So.
Yeah, I think if you look at like the 1 hour, right, you would definitely get more confidence to take this shot. So I think earlier I was discussing this trade with Sandra. So this 1 hour actually formed like this right leg basically closing below both of this 1 hour candles, right? It was actually a signal for me to take it down already, but at that time I wasn't really at the chart, so I didn't really take it short. But you could have done like your stop loss above this and then just take it all the way down, because it should not stop at this area. It should just continue going till this support over here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is more of a practice I need to do at getting into that.
Yeah, but now it's okay if you miss this move. Seeing that the
I'm waiting for like some kind of resistance to form and then maybe enter.
Yeah. So
but I feel shitty. Oh my god.
Yeah, so 4 hour actually closed bearish. 1 hour also. So just need to wait. It should form for us to take it down. Like Raja said, he's also probably expecting a resistance to form to take it down.
Ted, Uncle Ted really thinks my keep on going down.
Sorry?
Uncle Ted was basically predicting, saying like if it breaks the 135, 600 or 500.
He's looking for it to come down here.
Yeah, to the 400, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was crazy.
Filmon, they're saying your mic is a bit echoey and it's dropping off a bit.
A little too far. I don't have the mic thing as you. You have the professional thing. I'm just speaking to the computer.
Okay, then you gotta be nearer because it's breaking up. Yeah, they say you sound like you're on the cell phone.
You know how I was talking yesterday? I was like, I thought this would be a strong hold, and then it would go up for buy, but maybe it's not. Yes.
Yeah. Looks like that 78. Yeah. Let's see. Let me see if I missed any questions. Alright, J is coming down. If it closes properly, we have our entry. Yes, Nick, we're waiting for this resistance here on GJ to form. So potentially once it closes bearish, we'll have new resistance. Stop loss above and then you take it down till 135, 600 at least. Yep. I think you got the wrong code. Oh, wait. I didn't send it on the Discord. My bad. Shoots, I missed out one person. I missed out putting the link on one place. Sorry, my bad. That was the earlier room. So these two links were actually the first one, it's gonna be the same link for the rest of the week. The second one is gonna be the same link for this week. Make this neater. But yes, every day for this week it's the same. Hang on. Okay, try it now, guys. So shoes, hang on. Let me see. Yes, future way you learn your lesson. Wait for the close. Nice one. Sorry guys, I forgot to paste it. What do you think about sell stop about 135,784? 784. Fabian, why don't you just wait for this one to close and then you can hop in on a manual entry? Because if let's say you waited for 784, then wouldn't you, if let's say this candle closes like here, then you'll be wasting an extra like 2 to 3 pips. No, I'm not in a sell yet. I'm waiting for this one to close. So I only enter on closes. Must it close below the previous 15 or so long as it's bearish? Preferably below the 15, at least the body. Then we'll know that it still has some juice to push. The best entry would be if it breaks, closes even below this area. So that's really the most ideal. We're waiting for the 15-minute candle. Yes, we're waiting for this right leg to close on the resistance. Right, so 6. I was in EJ buy but closed way too early. Yeah. Oh, I hope it was earlier. Oh, EJ buy. Ooh, EJ is moving. Oh, yeah, it gave me a shock. I was like, Well, you would close when it reaches this 4-hour zone, so there's nothing wrong with that. You can always get in on another entry.
Oh, this is the first time I help.
Oh yeah, since just now, right?
Yeah.
Sick man.
Yeah, I mean, initially I was thinking to close once it hits this major support.
Evan, give me a second. I'm not in, guys. I'm just measuring. Just saying. Every time I draw this, I'm very scared people get in. Okay, yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
because there are people that are in. Yeah. Ooh, it's pushing. Ooh.
Alright.
Okay, I might not have my entry, I think. Yeah, because the risk reward's getting a bit messed up now for me. Yeah. So
yeah, I just entered impulse as an impulse entry once it broke the low.
Once it broke this area, technically it should not come back. So now that I missed it, I'm gonna see. I'm not in. I'm still gonna wait for the close. But I'm gonna wait for the next candle. If it wicks up right somewhere around my 1.5 area, then I'll possibly try an entry there. Yeah, but I'm waiting for the close still.
I mean, a close would be a better and safer.
Yeah, but it will mess my RR already, for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if I miss it, then it's just too bad for me.
Yeah.
But I mean, I'm just explaining like how I would catch it if it does pull back. Ooh, so loud.
Yeah. So just now on EJ, I was like thinking to take another entry, but I don't see any retracement in a lower time frame.
Yeah. So my I don't know whether you heard my entry it was it was a bit aggressive, honestly, but it was really just me reading the momentum and just trading it. Yeah, because EJ versus GJ, right? EJ is so clean on like 3 time frames, so it gave me like a lot more confidence to just take it short.
Yeah, I understand that.
Yeah.
But back then I was like in dilemma whether to take it. When you send the chart, I was like, okay. I was thinking, okay, maybe you can take. But looking at the strong bearish momentum down, I was anticipating another retracement. So
yeah, I was trying to wait for a like very shallow retracement also, but the retracement only came like in a tiny wick.
Yeah.
It didn't even wick the zone. It just wicked like half the candle and then it came back down.
The only retracement that I can find back then was at 5 minutes. But I'm not thinking in 5 minutes because 5 minutes is very, very risky.
Yeah, me too. But I saw this. Okay, so I think someone in our chat earlier was calling like for GJ, right? So when they were looking at the 5 minutes, the structure was really nice. Then I went to look at it. Oh my god, it's really quite nice today. Like there was just, I'm not advocating this, but this is just like perfect structure for you to continue to take trades.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's just break retest. So this is exactly what you'll be seeing on like a 15-minute chart if you wanted to enter. Let's see, did you take your entries like too close together? Did you space them out? Like usually for me, I entered long somewhere in the middle of this junk here. And then when I got stopped, right, I didn't even enter until like the next volume period. So I think I entered around 7, and then the next volume period will be around 8 to 9, right? I waited till 9 plus before I considered anything. Yeah, so you might want to space them out so that at least you know you use your ammo in all the various different volume periods. Yeah. You can put that in the journal. I'll have a look at it later. 30 minutes is a bit close. If it's me, I try to space it out. If you get what I mean. Please look at Go. Anka, I don't really watch Go. You want to send your chart, then we can look at it together. Yes, so you see, both are pre-NY, so you might want to move into like NY, so that at least you get a bit of a different movement. Okay, let's see. So now if it hits like my entry, right, somewhere here, I would execute the trade because this is 1.5 for me.
Oh.
Oh.
You just created
too slow. So
it's
it's too slow. Oh. Okay, I missed it, so I'm not in. Wow, that was like so near.
Just like I think 1 pip, less than 1 pip.
Yeah, it's okay. Just manage my EJ properly. Oh, it's trying again. Don't think it'll hit. See, where's my thing? Oh, where was it? This is just nice 1.5. I don't think it'll pull back that much. Yeah, Sam, I didn't enter because so this is where I want to enter. Look at how near I was. So I'm not in. Yeah, but if it does pull back a little bit more, maybe I'll consider it. But this was a nice close because it closed lower than this 15-minute support on the left after it formed that resistance. You wouldn't accept 1:1. Sometimes I do, but I don't really have a very good read on GJ today. It's being very funny with its behavior, so that's why not today. I will support you guys on GJ. It's not giving me an entry.
Ideally should be fine for people who are in the trade already.
Yeah. I don't think anyone is on EJ with me, right? So I'll watch GJ after I shift my stop loss.
I just want to get rid of that nigga. Like, I don't want the money.
Fremon, are you talking? I cannot hear you.
Oh.
Yes, okay. I think you really need to come nearer. If you're far, I can't hear you.
You guys, did you enter that trade? I wasn't looking at it.
GJ?
No.
No. So it missed my entry. So I was so far away. Like
I
it,
thought it would retrace more, but it didn't. It
yeah,
just kept going.
yeah. So like I wanted it to be above, and then it missed me by like just a hair. You literally
Oh,
like
oh,
literally like this. I was waiting for the
was it a
pullback.
buy limit?
No, I didn't.
Or
So when this candle actually closed, so you know I prefer 1:1.5, right? So when I measured it earlier, okay, I forgot how I did it, but
okay.
yeah, it didn't have that 1.5 for me. So I was waiting for the pullback, but the pullback it didn't reach.
Oh, it didn't get to
No,
the.
it didn't. Yeah, so I just
Mm.
missed it. Yeah.
Damn, you're that precise. I don't even.
No, no. Earlier, no, because for me, right, earlier it was
Yeah,
really like, oh, it was just
it
difficult
was
for
too
me to
big
take
for
it.
that.
Yeah, correct. To me, I felt like I missed the move already, and I don't like taking it right smack in the middle of the range. So no,
Yeah,
yeah. Plus, I'm
that's
already
why
in.
I was scared earlier too. Like when I saw the second move on the 15 minute, it was like halfway through, it was retracing a little bit and going back. I wanted to enter, but I was like, nah, it's in the middle of the range.
Yeah,
I don't know what could happen. It could retrace back.
yeah. So yay, it's
The
going,
GT's just
guys.
going.
Yep, it's going.
Congrats to those who are in the trade.
Yeah.
Yep, should hit 135,600. So yay! Wow, we really got paid, man, for waiting. Those that missed this, it was very good to wait. Then you caught this. But if you took this and you, because of FOMO, and then you shifted your stop loss, trying to lose less, you would definitely get pinned out within all these minor movements within the candle.
Yeah, I'm not looking for any trade because I feel like I'm gonna enter as a FOMO. Or because I missed that trade, I'm like I'm really not in a good state to enter a trade.
Yeah, yeah. It's good that you managed to identify that. Like, it doesn't
Yeah.
matter. Like, I would rather you not enter a FOMO trade. Remember the other day I was saying, like, if you get a shitty entry, you're gonna have shitty management.
Yeah.
Yep, so you're good. Plus, I think you've been winning most of your trades this week so far, right? You haven't lost yet, right?
Last week was good. Last week was good. Monday, yesterday, yeah, I had a weird entry. Like, the first was the loss. The second was I didn't enter. The problem with me right now is the lot size. I'm messing up when I'm entering. I'm not looking at it when I'm
Ooh,
entering.
okay.
So I'm messing up. It's like it's usually lower than my usual lot size. So yesterday it was a good trade. The second trade was a good trade, but I wasn't able to cover my loss because it was less than the previous trade.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, the first trade was like four of my lot size, and then the second one was like half.
Okay.
Yeah.
My YouTube channel is just this one here. It's really easy to identify me. I put everything the same.
Come on. Any pair that has good setup currently, I think you have to send a chart.
Yeah, because GJ already moved off.
Yeah.
So earlier when I missed, oh sorry, I think that might have been a bit loud. Earlier when I missed GJ, like I was trying to look, so I missed this move down, right, on the 1 hour earlier from the top. So I was actually looking at GU, because you know how like sometimes GU is slower, so I would tend to look for the same movements on GU. But then it came to this zone, so I was like, I don't like it, but I think it should come down lower. Same exact movement as GJ, just a lot slower. So for
135.
Sunpo, is your surname Lao or is it Po? Shoots. I don't want to call you wrongly. Okay, but here, ideally you want to see resistance to come down being formed. But if you only trade GJ, then just only stick to GJ. Don't go on like a few other pairs just because I trade it.
Okay, risk free.
I entered as soon as 15-minute was broken. Possible to go to 135,400. William, if you look on the higher time frame, I know what you're looking at. You're trying to aim for the wick, right? But if you look left on the higher time frame, see where all the wicks are stopping. If you want to be conservative, and you can secure some here and then aim for 400, but I would just be careful of 600. Because it's the same thing on the 1 hour as well. You see the bodies and the wicks. So secure some and then aim for 400. It could fail, but the likelihood of it not failing is higher. As soon as the 15-minute was broken. On Shema, on GJ. For GJ, we are nearing triple bottom. It form support possible to I think you're trying to long off 135, 600. We'll see when it's nearer the London close. Possibly you'll get some kind of signal then. Now it's too early to tell. Price broke previous support and created a low. Yeah, nice. This was nice. So I think this was a good impulse entry once it broke the 30-minute low. I think some of y'all caught it there also. Future ways, stay off the 1 minute if you want to hold your trades. Because the 1 minute definitely has to move up and down. It's just going to look bigger than it actually is. But if you measure the 1 minute candles, they're just like 1-2 pip moves. Not much. So just relax and let GJ breathe. Don't stare at the 1 minute. Well, if you entered on the 15, you should trust the 15-minute structure to hold. And 136 is so far. Even if it breaks above this candle here, right, you would definitely cut the trade already. Because your entry would be something like this, right? If your stop loss here, I mean, unless you trade without a stop loss. Like for me, this would have been my stop loss. So 136 is here. There's no way you wouldn't get cut before that. Yeah, so don't worry. Just relax. And don't stare at the 1 minute. You're just gonna be more anxious than it helps. Yeah. If you're worried, then just start reducing your risk once each 15-minute candle forms. Yeah, so yeah, there you go. You got like a very good entry, so just leave it. At which point is it a good time to break even? Jocelyn, it depends on you. Cause like for me, if this range like where I entered, right? I usually wait till, so if my stop loss is 15 pips, then the range is 16. I don't even have any break even because this is just a 1:1 R. For me, I break even once my trade hits 1 hour. But for some of you might want to break even when it moves to like 10 pips or 8 pips, depending on yourself. How do you execute if you don't want to wait for it to break? How do you execute a trade if you don't want to wait for it to break previous high or low before you enter? Wouldn't that not be an entry, SP? Was there pre-New York live today? Yeah, I had it. I think it's uploaded already. Could you look at GU? Yes, Dorian, what are you looking at? GU is stuck. It is not coming down clean. So if you want to short it, be a bit more careful first. So I think earlier I told Sumpo that gotta be careful with GU first. Because that 1 hour candle stopped right at my zone. So how I got this zone is sorry, it's a 4-hour zone. So you look left, resistance, and then now support, and then it's testing again. So GU, taking it short might be a bit more difficult, so just be careful. Oh, pre-New York is only 54 seconds. It's the 15. Is there a 1.5 hour one? Because yeah, the first stream I messed it up a bit, so I went to reopen another one. I think it's there. Give me a second. I haven't uploaded the timestamps though, SC. But there were no trades taken then. Let me try if this helps. SC, I'll paste the link on the journal. Yeah, so it's still making lower lows on the GJ, so 35600 is possible. Anyone who's anxious, just trail your stop loss tighter. I have a trouble journaling. I journal all my trade setups or for the day. Everything. Missed trades, trades that you took, whatever that you saw that you didn't take. Those are actually where you learn more. So the ones that you actually learn the most are those missed trades and the those that you lost on. Yeah, so journal everything. So I think the if you want a template, there's a template on the announcements tab here. On the Discord. Oops, sorry for anyone who spoke to me on Discord. My bad. Nice, nice. Yeah, Trello is fine. Whatever, as long as you journal it, you look at it. That's the main point. Wow, future way 11 trades since earlier. That's a lot. That's a lot. Okay, let's have a look at GU. Oh, it's breaking down. Okay, so this is good. Anyone looking for sells? Future way, I don't think you should take any more. You took a lot of treats, man. Okay, so oh, this is a big stop. Okay, what I'm seeing on GU is, so this is the 4-hour zone that I have, right? Price took a pause here at the zone and then it broke back down, closing lower than all this support here on the 15-minute. So the stop is big. You might want to wait for a little pullback first before you enter, but potentially I see the trade coming down to 283. But it is a big stop loss, so wait for a tiny pullback on the entry. But this is resistance form here to me. Right, this one here. These two candles. Yeah, so GU is slower than GJ, so if GJ is falling, GU should fall as well. So if we look at the higher time frame, that's why I think it should be coming down after this resistance is confirmed on the close. L was 135.730 on the daily time frame. 730, the daily not area of concern. 30. Oh no, like this whole area, this whole area is just wicks to be filled, I think. So yes, I see like that it might potentially bounce at the daily area, but if we look at the lower time frame, right, it's clean all the way down, at least on the 1 hour, so we should be able to fill these candles first before we bounce. Because this area here was the 730 level. Sorry, 730. Yeah, this area here was probably the 730 level on the higher time frame here. But this level actually closed lower, so we should be able to touch 600. Oh, I think we did. Yeah, because of these clean candles. You're right. Yay, okay. We hit for GJ. Yeah. So I think William, you You should already secure some here, right? Future way, I don't know about your risk management, but when you're losing, don't open more trades. That's just how your account blows up. If there are a lot of people telling you something and you're going the opposite direction, I think you say something. Just be careful. Yeah, and Christopher is right. It's really quality over quantity. Less is more. Yeah, just be careful, please. Yeah, but even if you have tried, you lost 10 and win back on the same day, you're technically breaking even, right? You're not actually winning. Yeah, AJ, we took I think some of the guys took GJ earlier, down from this 15-minute resistance to 6135600. But that trade's over. So now we're probably looking at GU. So if we look at the 1 hour, GU potentially should come down to this area first, 285.95, and then 283. Because if we look at the 4 hour, it's clean on the left. So for those that miss, this potentially could be an entry as well. But please manage your position size because the stop loss is big. We wait for resistance to form. Yeah. So this is good. Now your stop loss is smaller. So this retracement is good. I also took profit. Okay. On GJ, sorry. On GU, right? What I want is I need my first criteria for me to take the short is it needs to close lower than this. If it doesn't close lower, I will not enter, right? So if you want to enter, be prepared it might come back and wake you before coming down. So first criteria, I need it to close lower. Yeah, Zhao, it's tricky. So GU, I'm basing it more on the higher time frames. So I'm waiting for price to actually clear these candles over on the left. Looks like we might not have an entry. Still in the EU trade. No, I wasn't in EU, I was in EJ Jow. So guys, no shots, no shots. Please do not pull the trigger. There are no shots on GEU. Not for me, not yet. Ooh. Or you need to click the camera icon. Ooh, wrong chart. Julian on GU. GJ. One here. If it So Julian, if it holds 130, this minor zone, right? So this was support, right? And then it broke through and then now it's testing. So if this minor zone holds and this resistance forms, then yes, it should come down to fill the wick again. Yeah, so this zone has to hold, right? 135,800 must hold. This one will be irrelevant now. It break above the zone. If it breaks above, then I wouldn't take it long because the long should have been off this, not above it. So if you want to take it long, you gotta wait for new support to be formed off the zone again and then take it long for safer entries. Waiting on resistance at 848 to sell, or we could break sharp triangle bullish. Yep, correct, exactly what I said. Yeah. Yeah, but it's really tough to go long because look at all this big bearish movement on GJ. You're trading it long, you're definitely trading the pullback, so don't be greedy or take profit. Lloyd, so we took profits already at 35,600. So now I think some of them are waiting for new resistance to be formed at this minor 15-minute support to take it down again. So the fact that it's still early on the 15-minute candle. Oh, okay, bye. Disregard my cells. So if the 15-minute closes with resistance, sell. If it closes above, wait for new support to be formed at this zone and then you can try to take it long to 136,100. Now in the 30-minute there's an entry for what? GU? Yep, my take profit for EJ is 124,800. So now I'm gonna shift my stop loss, tighten it a little bit more. So it'll be at 125, 130. Right, nice, John. Thank you for joining. Yeah, GU is having a problem breaking lower, so if you guys are still looking for shorts, maybe you want to concentrate on GJ. Any advice for letting trades run and not closing them too early when in profit? Number one, don't stare at the lower time frames. So don't go on like the 1 minute or the 5 minute. Like, so if you notice, I entered EJ on the 15, and then I just went on. I trusted my stop loss, and then I just went on to look at other charts. Yeah, trust your stop loss to hold, because you should have. The reason why I put my stop loss above is also because there's a zone to protect me, so to speak. So I should trust that it should hold. Yeah. So if you are worried about like about closing the trades early, tighten your stop loss, but don't cut your profits too early. Just tighten your stop loss, because effectively, right? Like for example, on my stop loss here, if I'm shifting it here, technically I've already locked in all these profits here, correct? So I've already locked in 7 no matter what. So you can shift your stop loss as well. If you're even like, if you think 7 is too little, you can also trail it above the 15 over here. Then you'd be locking in this much of profit already, like 19. Yeah. So you can try that method, see which one suits you better. So future where EJ sales was very much earlier on during Raja's stream. Oops, sorry, the mic. Oh, EJ sales was not as nice as GJ, to be frank. I would have preferred GJ over EJ any day. Just that my RR wasn't nice. I didn't enter. Yeah, if you look at my EJ entry, right, you would then ask me, there's no resistance, why did I enter? So I think you heard my explanation earlier. So this was definitely riskier. It only looks clean because the candles are dropping, but if it flipped, you wouldn't be saying that. The only reason why EJ is dropping way easier than GJ is because if you look left, on the 30-minute, right, EJ is clean. Yeah. And on the 1 hour, it's clean. So is the 4 hour. Yeah. Immediately to the left. Whereas if you look at GJ, it's not that clean now. So it's having a bit of trouble. So just now earlier here, you had these candles. But if you look at the 1 hour, the moves are smaller. So if 4 hour has almost nothing. That's why. Yeah. That's why it's just waterfall. Galip. Honestly, there was a trade during Raja's stream. It's just that it's not his style to trade because it's on the 1 hour. If you look here, this could have been a trade too. So this 1 hour candle actually closed lower than the 2 previous 1 hour candles of that resistance, right? So you could have taken it short here. But Raja doesn't take something that has such a big stop, so that's his style. But it was present. Because if you look at the 30, this was very clear resistance. So you could have taken it. Yeah, so if it's messy, if you see nothing here, you just see range, just go up 1 time frame, you'll see structure because there were people that caught this. I've heard Raja say to put stop loss behind the previous 30-minute and then close half of it if it breaks previous 15. Your strategy a little different, that you place stops behind the previous 15. Yeah, I manage my trades a little bit different from Raja. He cuts his trade really fast. I tend to hold it a bit longer. I think if you look back at the previous few streams, I put the timestamp so it's a bit easier for you to see how I trade. You might be able to catch it. What's my holding criteria? I look at, so basically I look at my zones. So in the case of EJ, right, there's nothing telling me to close out the trade, even on this pullback here when this candle closed bullish. So there was nothing telling me to close it, because if you look at this candle, it didn't even close above the previous candle, so there's nothing for me to cut. Yeah, if that makes sense. It really varies from trade to trade, so I really suggest you. I do explain it when I'm on the trade, when I see something, but for other examples, you might have to check the previous streams. 124,722. Oh, you really like to aim beyond the zone. 722. Well, it's possible, William, but give me a second. I just prefer to grab my profits already. So I'm just taking them all at 124,800. This area here, it's like you're trying to grab that last little bit more, but it's okay. I have 40 is enough. Yeah. Okay, I'm out of the trade. Yeah. I think you would rather have money in your pocket than see this zone hit and then bounce, and then you'd be a bit pissed off that you missed out the profits. Yeah, see, now it's bouncing. Because it would bounce before it continues lower, but I just prefer to be out of it already. Because this whole area was wicks. If we look at the 1 hour, sorry, if we look at the 4 hour, this is very wicky. I don't like this bottom area. Evan, that's super sick, man. You got it right from the top. Like here. Holy. Sick. I think this was, yeah, the break of this 1 hour support, right? When EJ was ranging, this was the move already. I think you might not have been confident to take it further below here. Did you secure some at 125, like 330? Because I don't think I would have held it all the way down. I would have secured some here for sure. Then look for the re-entry down to fill all this. Right, 2 more minutes or 15 minutes to close on GJ. Rejecting the bottom, Evan, or the top? Oh, the 35,600, right? Yeah, that's why I said, I think William earlier wanted to target like somewhere below, but I was like, no, just grab this first. This is like probably like a 80% hit rate. Don't wait for here, just take this first. This is already like 15. Just take it, keep it in your pocket first, then look for another entry. How can I tell the time remaining for the candle to close? So on Tradingview, I have a clock here. But so if I'm on the 15, every 15 it closes. So if I'm on the 30, every 30 it closes. So I don't know you have the clock. So now this candle closed on the 15. So a 1.5 hour trade. So new resistance formed. The stop loss would be above. If William, no, I'm not short because I missed it. So if you see, like, I don't think it's 1.5. Yep, it's only 1. So no, I didn't enter. 1.5 has to be somewhere above here for me. So on the close, I didn't enter. What does that script do, Zhao? Like, is there a clock? Oh, shows time to end of each candle. Yeah, Tradingview does as well. So you can set it. And current spread, yeah. So we have that spread here. But just not our broker spread. But close enough. Thank you, Zhao. Let me see if how do you set this up. Jocelyn, if you look at this, right, I think it's this one. So click on this gear button here and then go to skills, tick this box. So countdown to bar close. So every time you change your time frame, right, it will have a countdown here telling you how many more minutes more till the close. If you look at the 1 hour 42, yeah, so it changes. Just click around. Where do you usually close out half and pull stops? Is it also based on Carlos? What do you mean by pull stops? Like push it nearer to break even? I put my stops at break even when I hit 1 hour on my trade, but I don't secure my profits because for me personally, I know GJ can move 30, so that's why I'm more willing to wait. But I will lock my trade in profit. So either I hit almost full at 30, or I break even. So if you're not comfortable with that, don't use that risk, that trade management, because you might not even secure half. So it's really dependent on yourself. So I'm time based. No, 1 hour. Like, so for example, if this trade that I took on GJ is what's that? So if this is like 10 pips stop loss, right? Then once I'm here, I would definitely secure my break even at my stop loss at break even. Then I would just wait for the trade to come down to the end. Yeah, but Raja secures it at 10. He takes like 80% off, I think, but I don't. So it's just different styles. RR, you might be able to enter, it's going up. So since I missed that 15-minute, right? Let's see. Yeah, I think I'll wait for the 30. See how it closes. Because I'm also okay to miss it. I use this for candle countdown MT4 for free. Ooh, I don't think I can send this link. Yeah, but she's using Tradingview, so thank you guys. Yeah, EJ is not. EJ hasn't pushed below, so What broker do I use? I am using Pepperstone. Benz? No, I'm done with EJ already, Benz. Hit my take profit at 124,800. Done. So anyone in that 15-minute shot on GJ? So it should be good to come down lower. Already broke that support. Yeah, right.
Yeah,
Nice,
I'm in
nice,
that
nice.
trade.
Nice, nice. You got a second chance.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah. Oh no, Vance, that one wasn't. Yeah, that was during Raja's stream, but it wasn't really a proper Raja entry. Got in cells off. Yeah. So this rejection. Okay, so how I saw this candle, this bullish candle rejected that daily zone, pushed up, no top wick, so that's good. And then the next candle confirmed that that GJ should still be coming down by closing bearish after rejecting that zone as well. So yeah, if we at 1.5 R, I'll be in. But it should hit and fill this week again. Thank you, Joel. See you tomorrow if I see you. IL on GJ, there's 4-hour support at 135,600 Js. Yeah, so that's why so earlier I called the short of this resistance, right? I only my take profit for it would have been at the 600 level only. I'm not even aiming for all this. Like, I'm willing to give it up just to secure some profits. Yeah, because 135 600 is strong, so just secure some if you're heading that way. I mean, it's clean down to around 135 560, but that's if you really want to push it. Nice, Sandra, noise. Future way you took 11 trades. You want another one? I'm gonna ban you. Come back tomorrow. At this point, what are we to do? Wait. If you're in, yes, wait to hit take profit. Yeah. Please don't click anymore. You had 11 trades. I don't even think I've traded that many times in a day. Yeah. So that's why GU and GJ usually move the same. So it's just that GU's structure is really there's this zone in the way, so that's why I'm not super confident to take it unless it broke and closed below this, but then now it's gone. So GJ would have been the one. Yeah, almost at take profit. Almost.
Keep going.
Almost. Right, so
Are you closing at the wick? The wick fill?
oh, I'm not in this.
Oh, you're not?
No, I didn't take this. But 135 600 would have been my take profit. If you use mic with noise cancellation, we can't listen to you clear. What? Am I not clear? Like, is it soft or what? Wrong with my mic? Oh. Okay, then it's not me. Thank you. Get the horn. I need to blast it twice. Jay, were you in like GJ? Um, so if you want this 30-minute short on GU, you could take it to fill the same idea, the 1 hour candles down all the way to 283 on GU. My god, I'm calling so many trades. I think someone's gonna overtrade. But it's just all moving. But the stop is big for 20 pips, so just be careful. But yes, this is a good idea because if this 30-minute resistance closes below this area here, so like this minor resistance, turn support over here, you should be good to come down lower. Yes, but GU stops are bigger. See, it's like at least 20, so please manage the position sizing also. GJ is pulling back. Come down, come down.
That has like 3 minutes left.
Raj Mathuda. So far today I only took 2. So I still have 1 more bullet if I want to take anything. Should we take shot on 30-minute close? For GU, Nick? GJ? No. No, there's not enough space. Your risk reward is... Look, Nick. If you're aiming for 135, 600, no. Your risk is way higher than your reward, so no. Yeah. I rather you look at GU if you haven't taken anything on the 30. Just adjust your position size. Something like this. Something like that. But again, I need this candle to close below my zone. Right? So I'm waiting for the close. Suddenly my magic keys doesn't want to work. Why? Why didn't you wait for... Oh, I'm not in yet, Mike. I'm waiting for the close. I'm just measuring if I were to be in, this is gonna be how I would take the trade. Ooh. Oh no, I cannot execute. I am in GU. Give me a second, I'm having a bit of problem. Uh,
Yeah.
hmm.
My magic key just got shipped. So, is there a tracking number or
I think the Canadian Post email will send you the tracking number.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, I think I just did something to my magic keys, it got disconnected. So now I gotta like manually adjust my trade.
Oh, you messed. Oh,
Yeah, I did
that's
something to it. Yeah, so now I gotta set alerts. So give me a while, guys.
damn. That sucks.
Yes, I saw a few questions. I don't even know, like, I had to calculate my position size before I got in, so yes. Magic keys makes you spoiled.
I think magic keys just makes you like if it
Yeah.
doesn't work,
You're like,
man.
oh shit.
No trading today, I guess.
I still got in the sell on GU.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think of 135,685 on the fall? Would it be a problem? It keeps rejecting from that area. 135,685. 135,685.
Homogeneous.
David, I think it still hits 600.
Anyone took that sell?
Yeah, I think some of them took it. See, so David, there's clean candles on the left, so it should come down. Plus, you need to fill this week. If you took GU cells, would you put the stop loss above the current 15? No. It's above.
I'm planning to.
Above the 30. So many
Planning to
questions.
get out.
Sorry?
I'm planning to get out of Wakefield because like I see a big resist or support there. So I don't know if GG has power to keep pushing down. So I'm gonna just get out once the price shows the wick.
Yeah, 135 600, right?
135 580 is the withdrawal.
Yeah.
So I'm waiting for that.
Yeah, I think you should be safe there. Yeah, I
I don't
pressed
think
num.
price has the power to go to 445.
No, not tonight. Plus, we are coming to that London close already.
Yeah.
Yeah, I pressed num. It's not working. I think I need to restart my computer. Oh, what else? Never mind. Let's go old school. I set an alarm so I can cut half.
Damn, price is coming back.
Took that sell for GU.
Come
Yes,
on.
Evan, I did. Based on the 30-minute. Yeah. Justin, my take profit would be at, firstly, I would be aiming for 283. But for GU, because London is closing soon, I'm definitely going to secure some at 1R as well. So Evan, there was this 30-minute resistance that formed, broke down close below all this support, and close below this resistance turned support here, so I took the shot. Basically, it was the same idea as earlier on the 15, just that the 15 never closed nicely for me, so I waited for the 30 to close. Yeah, I think safer take profits would be around 286, Justin, for GU. Because it's this support here on the 1 hour. Like working on everything, but not my MT5. Why? Oh, now it's working. Oh, so open calc doesn't work, but zoom in and out does.
GU hasn't moved yet?
No, GU is being a snail. Has GJ hit your take profit yet? Come on, last 15 minutes. Usually we see the move during the last.
It's 10 pips, man.
Chill.
The
The last 15 should push. We always see the move during the last 15.
Yeah.
Yep.
Hope so.
So, patience.
Patience, yeah.
There's no volume in the market. Yes, the last 15. The J. Haven't. You enter in 5-minute baller. Mary1, am I in? Yes, I'm in GU from earlier on the 30-minute close. With this resistance breaking this minor zone. Yeah. Playing with your profits, huh, Evan?
Yes, let's go.
The module enter too large.
Oh, no. Same lot size. But it just brought it's so slow right now.
Now if the 15...
I just wanna get close and then get out of here.
If the 15 closes bearish on GU, would you move your stop loss to the top of the current 15-minute, expecting the price to make lower highs on the way down? Above the 15? No, I would move it actually above my zone. Above this zone here. So like this. At 2883 AJ. Yeah, I like to give a bit of buffer. I don't like to get wicked and then the price still comes down. But there's nothing wrong with the 15 also. Just I like a bit more space. Because if you look at my take profit, it's so big. I'm willing to give the trade a bit more space to breathe. Why didn't you wait for the retest of the resistance? Can you briefly explain how you trade? Slim to go, I think you're talking about the 30, right? So this break was resistance form of this 4-hour zone.
Oh man.
Be right back.
Yeah, it's coming back. Wow.
Hit you, hit.
Man, today's unsuccessful. So basically, I trailed stop my candle, expecting 15-minute nut to go back.
Hmm?
I put it above the 15-minute, and then it came back, hit my stop loss, and now it's moving back.
Oh shit. Man. So you're out?
Okay, it's break even.
Oh man. Ow. Were you too tight to the 15-minute wick?
I didn't expect price to come back again because I was like, it's almost like how much time left? Like 1 to 2
minute.
minutes left, and I was like, okay, if price comes back like and closes above, it's like that's a no trade. So I'm like, 15-minute. I expected 15-minute just to close, so I put my stop loss above it. Yeah.
Oh man, you were almost there.
Yeah, that's okay. Only Tuesday. I mean,
Wait,
still.
so I secured half on GU, and my stop loss is at break even. Okay, so my final take profit for GU will be at 283. If anyone is in with me, I have secured because I don't have my keys. So angry, I'm doing everything manually now. Okay, wow. Okay, so this 15 closed with no wick on GU, so I'm glad I secured some. But my final take profit is still at 283. Come on, man, stop loss, come down. My stop loss is at 2873, right? If anyone's in GU with me, I am risk free now and secured half. Yeah, I feel a bit handicapped, so I mean I know how to do all this. It's just last time I just had to like beep beep beep, and then now I cannot. So it's a bit annoying. I think I hit the USB port when I shook the table just now. Future Way, follow me and only take 3. I challenge you this week. Take 3 only. Don't take Asia, just take the timing I take. I challenge you. Nick, I don't trade gold because I'm not familiar yet. And honestly, the GBPs are enough. I'm not going to be trading gold anytime soon. Not until the account gets bigger. GN is going down. Take London crossover with Asia to New York session, you're good. No, then I'll have no life. Evan, you cannot encourage Future Way, he treats the whole day already. Bye bye, Leon, thank you. Do I trade Asia? No, I don't. Bro, Evan, Future Way trade from Asia. Don't encourage. He take 11 eh. Do you trade London and NY? So basically the stream timings that I have from 5 to Raja and 9 to 11, that's the timing I trade. 5 to 11, that's it. Yomon, close the charts. Close the charts, walk away. Technically, if you have 3 trades, good. Yeah. Can you tell your stop loss again? Here. Oops, sorry. This on GU it's at 28.73. Yep. Wow, EJ just bounced off 800. So, like, this is why I would just prefer to take it all here. And yeah, I know that there's some a little bit more at the bottom, but nah, it's okay. Just grab this area here. Because if at this time, right, with only the last like, sorry, give me a while. If you only have like the last like 15, half an hour to 15 minutes to trade, you want like the higher probability take profit zones. So just grab it, back the wins, and then go off the charts later. Yeah, Chris, what's up?
Yeah, sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off.
No worries.
So I took a trade on GJ earlier, and I took profits around like 135, 600.
Ooh, Chris, you sound like a robot.
But I'm looking now. I'm just curious what you think. If we hit like one.
You sound like a robot. Oh, it's not just me. Okay, I thought it was me. You sound like a robot. Are you on Wi-Fi?
Is that better?
Yes, but you're just soft now.
Can you hear me? Maybe. Okay.
Okay, yeah. Poor Chris. Maybe your headphones ran out of battery. Oh, satellite internet. Oh, I didn't know the clouds affected it. Bye bye, AJ. Thank you for joining. Hey, whoever. You guys should have gotten the profits on GJ. It hit 600. Yay. Okay, so on GU, that previous 15-minute candle had no wick, right? So just be careful. I'm already at risk free and I secured half. I'm just going to let it be. If it hits me at break even, so be it. Hi L, I didn't take any trade today. Was wondering would it affect my performance tomorrow? Honestly, no, just take each day as it comes. Every day there are setups. So if we look at it, there were no setups in New York that were very, very clean, but then we managed to catch some after. So you have 2 sessions to trade where the markets are really very volatile. So just wait. Just take it a day at a time. Yeah. And tomorrow is Wednesday, so Wednesdays have been known to consolidate a little, and I think we have news. Oh, yes, we have news. So just chill. If you're profitable, just take your trades as you normally will. Don't try to make up your profit targets or whatever, just take them as they come. Yeah, Andre, nice discipline, man. Oop, it's about to get me at break even. Bye bye, Wen Chen. Thank you. Bye, Essie. Thank you. Have fun at your meeting. Can we see screen of your profit on IG today? Just motivate us and chill us. I normally do post it. I'll post it later because that's part of my journaling as well. So I do show how I took the setups. Every day I do it. Oh, no, no, no. Everyone, no. Everyone's account size is different, so just treat your account size. The cash means nothing if you cannot win consistently. Right, if you're winning, you're winning. Your account will grow either way. Hi L, were you able to see one of my setup links? No, I think it might have gotten flooded. Which one? Send it again? I cannot see URLs, yeah. Unless you put like a space in between or something, then try to paste it in. Wow. You nearly got me. Ooh. Anyone still in GU? Can you show how to draw support and resistance lying in different zone? Okay, there are a couple of guys still in GU, so I'm gonna just leave the stream open. Yeah, you guys should already be at break even, I think. Okay, so I'll leave the stream open for a bit more. $11:30 candle close, broke above the resistance zone. Okay, waiting for slight retest on 15. Alright, got it on the wick. 30-minute closing bullish with rejection wicks to the bottom. Okay, didn't open. Oh. Did you have entry signals on the 15, Jace? Poor Chris. Usually you just talk through your trade. Now you gotta mark it up. I'll wait. I'm still in the trade, so just close my whole position on GU. Too much indecision. Yeah, because like Zhao, like what I saw was the reason why I closed it also. I don't know if you saw this note. So like there was this area of support here on the 1 hour. So that could be an area where GU just pauses. That's why I secured some there. Normally, I don't secure like when it's like at 10 pips, but at this area, I thought it better to be a bit more prudent since we're coming towards the London close as well. I didn't want to get wicked. Plus, the 15 also closed without a wick. Then I just locked my stop loss. So when I lock my stop loss, I usually just leave the rest to hit me at break even or at take profit. Yeah. Guys, if you want to close and you're uncomfortable, please just do what you want to do. Everyone has different risk appetite and different trade management styles. There's nothing wrong. Right, thank you those for coming. Check out that long on EA. Let's see. Yes. Manage your trades according to your own styles, yeah, and your own risk appetite. Don't just hold it because I'm holding it. I haven't really marked up Oh, but EA is in the range on the daily. I'm holding for the grab. Tag me. Steam to go tag me. That'll be quite funny. Okay, let me see. Roshan, where's your question? Yeah, but John, I don't think you did anything wrong because, like, I think you close your trades usually at 10, right? You didn't hit the 10. Yeah, there's really nothing wrong. Plus, London has closed. So right now, I am tightening my stop to where I put my take profit. So at 286.30, okay. This is my new stop, 286.30. Yeah, trust your analysis. Nice. Film on. GG, thanks.
Was good.
You disappeared. I was like,
Yeah, I
oh
did.
no. Did you
I
have
had
to walk away?
I had to go do something.
Yeah, it's good. I was like, oh no.
I had to go over there and cry for a little bit.
Yeah, but it's all good.
I'm out of here though.
Okay,
I'm done
okay.
for today.
See you.
I'll come back tomorrow and see what's up.
Okay, okay, see you. I think
Bye.
for future reference, maybe just wait until the candle closes.
Yeah.
Yeah, you might want to
Yeah.
put a note on that though, because GJ really does do
Definitely.
wicks.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm journaling the
Yeah.
whole thing.
Yeah, I think GJ likes to do like a last 1-2 minute wick and then it comes back down.
Yeah,
It's just
that
a
was crazy, man.
beast.
Yeah, I was too like impatient. I couldn't wait for the candle to close.
Yeah, but it's okay. You can just journal it down and make a note. So next time you know.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. All right.
Alright, see
Bye,
you.
everyone. See you.
No worries, Jay. I'm still gonna hang on. I'm still in this trade anyway. Yes, Evan. 283. 283. I think it comes down. So this is the next area where GU has a problem. Area on the minus time frame, right? It looks like this. This is resistance, turn support. So that's why GU is pausing. So hence, I tightened my stop loss. Okay, so I can just keep trading it as it passes minor zones. So now I'm at 2858. Aha, you FOMO, aha. Beat your best side. But now this break here looks interesting on the 5. Reflective buy. Buy for GU. Oh no 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 no. Reflective, I saw the cells on the higher time frame. So it was clean. So now that this candle, this hourly candle actually broke below that hour support, it should still come down to 283. If you want to buy it below at around 283. Wait for the buying signal. According to my FX book website, London is closing only in about 55 minutes. Oh? Can you send me that link? Because I saw on like is it daylight savings? Oh, it hasn't closed on. Oh, Forex Factory looks like it's at 12. Oh man, do I now need to like stream till 12? I am not sleeping anymore. Okay. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. You have to extend your stream 1 more hour. Oh, I didn't know it closes like so late. Did it just move? I thought it was 11 usually. Right, let's see. Ding ding ding. Poor Chris. What if it says wrong chart now? You flip the table, I think. This is daily. Seems to be losing momentum at this point. I already took profits on GJ for myself this morning. Depending on GJ forming support at 35.5 over the next hour, so I'd like to see a dip and rejection on. Thinking about risking some of my profits and taking a 0.2 lot buy to swing with take profit till at 138 and stop loss set at 134.500. Oh, you want to buy the bottom? Interesting. Let me see. Take profit. 138. I think you're looking for a swing, right, Chris? Iffy. Let me see. It's a bit tough though. Okay. When forming support at 35. Yeah, okay. So yeah, I like that you're waiting for, oh wait, 35.5. 35.5 is somewhere. Yeah, so 500 to 600. I think even if the support forms, right, I'm not sure if it'll hold, because this, if you look at the higher time frame on the daily, just look at this area here, right? This was resistance, and then it broke, and then it wicked as support. So if your stop loss is gonna be at like 34.5, let's see, it's gonna be like this. Let me see if there's space. $138. Ooh. Honestly, I would prefer to have my stop loss below the 34.5, because I see like price coming down wick, like maybe even below this wicks here, because now you're looking for a swing, but then that would skew your risk reward and not make it so nice. If that makes sense, because this whole area here, if we look at the previous few candles on the daily even, right, it's just closing. This current candle is actually looks like wants to close lower than all the previous wicks, so it actually tells me that GJ wants to come down and not go up yet. Yeah, that's what I think. If I want to buy as a swing, I'll probably look for it maybe at 134.500. Yeah, then you would have your stop loss same thing below this wicks, and it wouldn't be that big. Like now it's like almost a 200 bit stop loss, but if you had it somewhere here, then probably your stop loss would be like 80, and you'll be aiming for this first problematic area here first. Sorry, this area here first for 1 hour, and then around 2.5. That's how you'd be trading the swing, I think. Yeah, but I don't trust 35.5, to be frank. It's just gonna be really wicky and dangerous. Yeah. So is that daylight savings time? Sorry, I saw the chat moving while I was thinking. So it was daylight. No, it's not. Bye bye, Dom, if you're still here. Yeah, you're already green. GJ is. I honestly have no idea what GJ is doing on the higher time frame. It's just not respecting. I think it's like what Ted said earlier, because the daily is just close. It's just major indecision for the past 2 days. Here, these two doji candles, so that's why today we should get some direction from GJ on the close. Hi L, I've been looking at charts since Asia for setups. Do you reckon it's bad? Yes. Reduce your hours, because if not then you'll get like analysis paralysis. Just reduce it. Choose the timing that you really can focus and then just come in at that time. The rest of the day just go do something else. So what's the deal on the on the on the London close? Do I need to extend my hours? UK citizens. Oh. So it really does close in like 45 minutes because of daylight savings? Oh crap. Okay, wait, is there like, oh, I think, does Frankfurt close at 11 at like did it just close 13 minutes ago? Because Frankfurt is also another big market. It's just like how you have the Canadian market, which opens 1 hour earlier than New York. Is that why? Or is it just daylight savings? No. Oh, you guys plus 4 already. Okay, I get it now. My bad. Okay, I will stay till 12. Yeah. So what time the market open? Effectively, they are lag 1 hour now, right? So 4 o'clock. 7:19, 4 o'clock. Yeah, Ethan. Nah, I'm not really tired. It's just that I want to, because the moves happen in line with the closes, so I just want to make sure I observe them. So it's fine. I usually sleep at 2 anyway. But thank you. What is the spread for dollar cat on Pepperstone? Now it is 0.2 to 0.4. Cheap. Shane, I think they're saying it's daylight savings now, so it hasn't closed. I will just follow this. It looks like it opens at 3 till 12. Oh, wait. On Forex Factory, I know you need to click a setting on time. If we on, then the timing here will be off. Like it'll be wrong. Right, Evan? Because this doesn't match our time because we don't have. Let me see. Yeah, so you see it gets pushed back 1 hour, so 4 till. Basically just push back 1 hour, I think. Oh man, the first day of daylight saving is always messed up. 4:30 local time in the UK now. It's in 15 minutes. So London now opens 1 hour later, right? Sorry, we don't have daylight savings in our area, so we're confused. Yeah, Evan, I think it's 4 hour time. Raja's stream also pushed back 1 hour. Oh, that's a very good question. I don't know. Yeah, DST is evil, especially for us when we don't have it. That's why we're always so confused. But Evan, look, on Forex Factory, right? Even if I take out like... Oh wait, it's in. Yeah, I guess we need to turn it on then. So if we follow it, it's 4 till midnight. Eh? No, now it ends at 1. 'Elias, I'm trying to figure out what time I should end my stream. Starting in October, the stream will be 1 hour earlier for you. Wait. Okay, wait, let me get let me get this clear. So the London market closes at 5, right? 5 p.m. every day. So 5 p.m. UK time now. Okay, so I need to stay till midnight. Okay, got it. Yeah, I got it. So the open is... So previously it was 3 to 11, Evan. So now it's 4 till midnight. 3 to 11, so now we push back 1 hour. My god. we fail maths. Why does it close in a half an hour timing at 4:30? That's so funny. Not at the hour. Mike? Muhammad, I think GJ already left. There are no more cells on GJ. The London market's opening and close times for you will change in October when the clocks change. Oh. So we have time. In October, the schedule will change back again and you'll end at your 11. Oh man. I'm just gonna follow Forex Factory. Oh, thank you, Sharif. I'm just gonna come on at 5 a.m. Eastern. Whatever. Currently, London market times in Singapore are 3 to 11. No, I think all the Western countries have daylight savings, except us. Yeah, everything is. Monty stream start 1 hour later instead of 2 p.m. I think so. Still gonna trade Okay, for Singaporeans, I'm still going to trade 5 to midnight. That's it. 5 to midnight. Anyway, 5 o'clock doesn't really have much. So, oh, no wonder. Yeah. It's I can tell right now that it will be on Saturday 24th to 25th October. Okay. Daylight. I don't think it's literal, Evan. Night. Why must we have daylight saving? Confusing. So it only happens in the day, not the winter has shorter days of spring. Well, if you come on YouTube and he's not live, just wait an hour and then you know your answer. It was originally proposed as an energy saving measure. Oh, that's very interesting. Why do you guys have to make things so complicated? Pushing the clocks back and forth. Interesting. Wow, there's even a British summertime. Wow. Crap, man. That's so interesting though. You trade London. Pablo, I only start at 5 AM Eastern, so I didn't catch anything for London. Ooh, GU is coming to get me. Evan, did you guys shift your stop loss? Because this 15 is gonna close higher than before. Off this earlier zone that I drew up on the 30. Oops, on the 15, sorry. So previous resistance, then support. So now it's holding. So if it's either I get stopped when it hits my stop loss, or when this 15-minute candle closes bullish above this bearish one, then I'll just cut the trade already. 5-minute printing bearish bullish structure. Ah, okay. Looks good. You entered on 5, so you manage on 5. Good. Oh. Raja said he managed the trade, so I look at 5. I don't think he said manage on the 5, bro. Look at gold and a possible sell if the current candle closes below the previous low. Gold. So, Jao, are you looking to fill till 119.48? Oh, 30, sorry. Yeah. Are you looking to fill the wick? Or all the way down? Oh, it's clean. Like below this whole support already. So support, turn resistance. Come down all the way. Let's see. Oh, at least to clean this candle. So over to this area for like $6. Interesting. One wick. Yeah, so I mean if I'm just reading structure, this bearish right leg, it has a lower high. So if it closes bearish, I think it should come down. If I'm just reading structure, come down to at least this area here. Like this, somewhere like this. 1945. If I'm just reading structure. Is that where you're aiming, Jao? Ah, okay. I got it. I'm learning. I hate trading gold after I make hefty loss. Yeah, gold is tricky. I'm just learning first. Yeah, so for anyone that missed it earlier, on the Discord, right, I set up the same link for this entire week. So the top one's for London to New York, and the bottom one is for New York to London close. Yeah, so just 2 links, and I deleted all the rest on top because it's messy. Oh, I think it got me. Yes, it got me too. Alright. Anyway, I would have cut it anyway because the 15-minute closed above. Alright, happy trading everyone. I should end at midnight tomorrow. Okay, any more questions? If not, then I'll call it. I treat GU and EU with ICT price action way. Oh, what's that? Thank you everyone for joining. Right. Do I use EMAs as Confluence, Sharif? No, my charts are just clean. I have no indicators whatsoever. Thank you everyone. So anyone have any questions that I didn't answer? Just hit me up on the DM, my username. Okay? Farewell, farewell. Have a good night, good day, good afternoon. Bye bye.